I just want to give a quick shout out, Testimonial. I picked up the free sample yesterday, and I used it before I went to bed. And I've been snoring for years, elbows from my wife all the time. And last night was the first time that I did not get an elbow, and I slept probably better than I have in months, years. And one shot up each side, went to bed, and incredible.
Thank you. So that's one product that we offer in this program of many. So this is something that anybody can do.
Yeah, if everybody that snores, if it worked for me, like it, I mean, how could they say no?
Right.
Awesome.
Appreciate that. Thank you.